Sociology is the scientific study of society, including patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and culture. It is a social science that uses various methods of empirical investigation and critical analysis to develop a body of knowledge about social order, acceptance, and change. Sociologists aim to understand how society works and how people interact with each other. They study a wide range of topics, including the family, education, crime, and religion, to name a few. One important concept in sociology is social structure, which refers to the way that a society is organized and the relationships between its various parts. This includes things like social class, which refers to a person's position in society based on their income, education, and other factors. Social institutions, such as the government, the economy, and the family, also play a role in shaping society and shaping the lives of individuals within it. Sociologists also study social change, which is the way that society evolves over time. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as technological advances, economic shifts, or changes in social attitudes and values. Overall, the study of sociology helps us to better understand the world we live in and how it works. It allows us to see patterns in social behavior and helps us to make informed decisions about how to live our lives and interact with others. Thanks for listening. See you in the next knowledge video.